Hi! In this video I'm going to show how to make these cables with a hole in the center. I have my machine ready with a swatch begin and an intarsia carriage, and I also have a chart which reminds me what to do at a certain number of rows. So I'm gonna need 2 balls of yarn because the work is gonna be split at the center. And let's get started. So I'm gonna have my cable split right in the middle, so I'm gonna work from left to 0 with the left yarn and from 0 to the end of the needles on the right with the second ball of yarn. So here's a close-up, and I have to be careful not to twist the yarn in the center because I want my work to stay split. So I'm going to work for 15 rows or an odd number of rows with intarsia carriage. And after I'm done with 15 rows, here's the work how it's going to look like. At this point, I'm just going to need my 2 3-prong transfer tools, because I decided I'm going to have the cable work on 6 needles, and I'm just going to cross the center 6 needles just like I would make a regular cable. So I'm going to hang the 3 needles on the right on the left side of the 0, and the 3 needles, the 3 stitches on the left on the right needles. There we go. Now important is to put back the needles into D positions and to open the needles so that they, when I pass again with the intarsia carriage, we're not gonna have a drop stitch. Then I'm gonna do 2 passes with the working yarn on all needles, 1 and 2, and then I'm gonna start working again, splitting the work in the center as I did before for 15 rows. And here how it looks like once it's done. I hope you like it and it's clear enough. Bye!